What is ERP? Enterprise Resource Planning. ERPs integrate or attempt to integrate all data and processes of an organization into unified system. A typical ERP system will use multiple components of computer software and hardware to achieve the integration. A key integrant of most ERP systems is the use of a unified database to store data for the various modules. Examples of modules in ERP: manufacturing, supply chain, financials, customer relationship management called CRM, human resource management called HRM, warehouse management. PeopleSoft HRMs, financials modules from Oracle, remaining applications from SAP, System Application Procedure. Ideally, ERP delivers a single database that contains all data for the software modules, which would include manufacturing, engineering, bills of material, scheduling, capacity, workflow management, quality control, cost management, manufacturing process, manufacturing projects, manufacturing flow, supply chain management, inventory, order entry, purchasing, product configuration, supply chain planning, suppliers scheduling, inspection of goods, claim processing, commission calculation, financials, general ledger, cash management, accounts payable, accounts receivable, fixed assets, projects, costing, billing, time, expense, activity management, human resources, payroll, training, time and attendance and benefits, customer resource and marketing, sales and marketing, commissions, service customer contact and call center support, data warehousing, self-service interfaces for customers, suppliers, and employees. The most important aspect of any ERP implementation is that the company who has purchased the ERP product takes ownership of the project. To implement ERP systems, companies often seek the help of ERP vendor or third-party consulting companies. These firms typically provide three areas of professional services, namely consulting, customization, and support. Professional services, they include consulting, customization, maintenance, and support. Design aspects of engineering, how best to make the product, order tracking from acceptance through fulfillment, revenue cycle from invoice, managing bills of materials, tracking purchase orders, inventory and costing, accounting for all these tasks. Limitations of ERP systems, let us see. Success depends on how you implement the system correctly. Proposing changes in business practices that are out of synchronization with ERP systems. ERP systems can be very expensive to install. ERPs are often seen as too rigid and too difficult to adopt. Systems can be difficult to use. Many of the integrated links and high accuracy. There are frequent compatibility problems. The system may be over-engineered relative to the actual needs to the customer. Free open source ERP software, I am going to give some kind of examples. Ampere, Compere, ERP5, GNU Enterprise, Offbiz, OpenBrevo, Web ERP, Pentaho. I think this talk would have given you some brief about ERP systems, implementation, the limitations, and some kind of free open software. Have a good day. Thanks.